The first thing you probably think about bone health and nutrition is calcium. Calcium is super important, but there are other nutrients you need to be consuming to build strong bones. You need nutrients like vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, copper, magnesium, zinc, potassium, protein, and vitamin K. It sounds like a lot, but if you're eating a diet including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans, it's a cakewalk. The one food group you should especially focus on for bone health is green vegetables because they're rich in both calcium and vitamin K1, which your body turns into vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 steers calcium into your bones while taking calcium out of places it's not supposed to be, like your arteries. Think calcified plaque. You should aim for at least 90 micrograms of vitamin K every day, which you can easily get from greens, except spinach and Swiss chard. Those are both high in oxalates, which makes their calcium hard to absorb. Parsley, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts are especially good sources of both calcium and vitamin K. Pick one you like. Vitamin C is great for your bones too. It can lower your risk of hip fractures by 5% for every 50 milligrams of vitamin C you eat a day. That's the same as one orange. But as long as you're eating fruits and vegetables, you'll get more than enough. Before I talk about what to avoid for bone health, I just want to mention the importance of making your home fall-proof so you don't trip over anything. I think you know what to do, but I put a couple of links in the description below so you can check it out. It's a checklist to make your home fall-proof. Boring, but it could save your life. Click on my video about quick and easy weight loss for women over 50. See you in the next video because your health is the ultimate luxury.